Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchase by comparing the latest gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, specifically the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal, 4K GPS drone, and the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. Let's see which one will make you the king of the skies, and which one will just crash and burn. Let's start with the price. The Potensic Atom is priced at $449, while the TOMZON P5G is more budget-friendly at $159. Reviewers note that the Potensic Atom offers a lot of premium features for its price, making it a worthwhile investment if you're serious about drone flying. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G is praised for offering great value for money, especially for beginners. In terms of size and weight, both drones are incredibly lightweight. The Potensic Atom weighs less than 249 grams, which means no FAA registration is required. The TOMZON P5G is even lighter at 238 grams. Reviewers love the portability of both drones, noting that they can easily be carried in a backpack. Moving on to camera quality, the Potensic Atom features a 12-megapixels camera with a Sony CMOS sensor, capable of recording in 4K at 30 FPS. It also has a 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. Reviewers rave about its professional-level video quality and stability. The TOMZON P5G also offers 4K UHD recording with a 90-degree adjustable lens and a 120-degree wide angle. While it doesn't have a gimbal, reviewers still find its camera quality to be impressive for the price. Battery life is crucial for any drone enthusiast. The Potensic Atom offers up to 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries, and it charges quickly. Reviewers appreciate the long battery life and find it perfect for extended flying sessions. The TOMZON P5G offers 36 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. While shorter, reviewers still find it sufficient for casual flying and short video shoots. When it comes to range and transmission, the Potensic Atom boasts a 6 km transmission range, thanks to its PixSync 3.0 technology. Reviewers are impressed by its long-range capabilities. The TOMZON P5G has a transmission range of 985 feet, which is more than enough for backyard flying, but falls short for long-distance adventures. Both drones come loaded with features. The Potensic Atom offers visual tracking, quick shots, and an auto-return feature, making it feel like a mini Spielberg in your pocket. Reviewers love its advanced features and ease of use. The TOMZON P5G includes GPS auto-return, Follow Me, Circle Flight, and Custom Path Flight. It also comes with a handy Flycam app. Reviewers find these features to be very user-friendly, especially for beginners. Overall, reviewers highly recommend the Potensic Atom for its professional quality features, long battery life, and advanced camera capabilities. It's seen as a great investment for serious drone enthusiasts. The TOMZON P5G is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and good camera quality, making it an excellent choice for beginners and casual users. So what's the verdict? If you've got the cash and want all the bells and whistles, the Potensic Atom is your guy. But if you're balling on a budget and still want some solid features, you can't go wrong with the TOMZON P5G. Both drones will make you the coolest person at the park, but only one will leave you with enough cash to grab a celebratory ice cream afterward. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Fly high and buy smart.